A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of your health at your home and staying at home. So ready for your science class? In the last class, we were continuing with the chapter number 4, soil. Already we have discussed the formation of the soil and what does soil contains. So today we will continue with our next topic. So our next topic is types of soil. Do you know how many types of soil are there? Yes, very correct. 3 types of soil. You might have also studied in the earlier classes, but now you will study in detail. Soil differ in color, particle, size and amount of air and water. That means हर जगह की soil थोड़ी अलग होती है. सब जगह आपको same type of soil देखने को नहीं मिलती है. So if you ask the question, how does the soil differ? So soil differ in color, they have different color, in particles, size and amount of air and water in them. Okay. So remember there are 3 types of soil. Underline with me in your textbook. There are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. So let us start with number 1, clay soil. Now what is clay soil? It contains mostly clay. अब नाम clay soil है तो उसमें clay होगा, right? Easy to remember. So you have to start with it mostly contains clay. It consists of soil particles of very small size. अब clay soil में क्या होता है? Consist means what is present in it. So it consists of soil particles of very small size. There are very small size, small particles in it. It is smooth and sticky. Now how it is? So it is smooth and sticky. वो थोड़ी smooth होती है और थोड़ी चिपकती है. आपने बचपन में clay से खेला होगा. So after playing with clay, our hands get sticky. So that is why it is said that it is smooth and sticky. It is used by potters to make pots and toys. So who uses this? It is used by potters. Important point if you ask the uses of clay soil. It is used by potters to make. Potters क्या बनाते हैं? Pots and toys. Okay. Clay soil is not good for plants because there are no spaces between its particles to hold air. Now if you are asked that is clay soil good for plants? So no. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें there are no spaces between the particles, okay, to hold air. हमको for a good plant we need some air, but in clay soil there is no presence of air. So it's not good for plants, and the reason, no space between its particles to hold air. Then but it can hold a lot of water because water cannot pass through the particles easily. But clay soil में क्या होता है? Lot of water. Why? Because water cannot pass through the particles easily. अगर आप clay soil में पानी डालोगे तो उसके particles से easily pass नहीं हो पाएगी. So it is said that water cannot pass. Let us revise in short clay soil. First point, it contains clay. Second point, it consists of soil particles of very small size. Third point, it is smooth and sticky. Fourth point, it is used by potters. Why? To make pots and toys. Then it is not good for plants. And the last point, it can hold a lot of water. Okay, let us move further. Number 2, sandy soil. Now, what is sandy soil? It mainly consists of sand. See, first point is easy to remember here also. From the name you can derive the word sand. Sandy soil consists of sand. आपने रेती देखी होगी desert areas में. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles. Now here presence of air is there. In clay soil it was not there. So you have to remember this. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles. यहाँ पे large particles हैं. Okay, if you compare this, here there were small size particles, here large particles. but it cannot hold much water because water can easily pass through these spaces. Opposite to clay soil can hold much water, but this cannot hold much water. Why? Because उसमें से water easily pass हो सकता है. So very few plants are able to grow in sandy soil. So sandy soil में भी बहुत कम plants grow हो सकते हैं. It is mostly found on seashore and in deserts. If you go in any seashore or deserts, Rajasthan area or somewhere, you will find sandy soil. Okay. Now you understood clay soil, sandy soil. In sandy soil, we'll revise in short. First, it consists of sand. Second, there is a lot of air in the spaces. Third, it cannot hold much water. Cannot. Okay. Remember. Why? Because water can easily pass through sandy soil. Then it is not, very few plants are able to grow in sandy soil. And where it is found? You will be asked question, where is sandy soil found? In seashores and deserts. Loamy soil. Now what is loamy soil? It contains both sand and clay. सी क्ले सॉइल में हमने नाम से याद किया, इट कंटेन्स क्ले. सैंडी सॉइल में भी हमने नाम से याद किया, इट मोस्टली कंटेन्स सैंड. बट लोमी सॉइल, इट कंटेन्स बोथ सैंड एंड क्ले. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सैंड एंड क्ले पार्टिकल्स. इट कंटेन्स अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमस. You remember I told you the meaning of humus in the last lecture. Humus is some particles which make the soil fertile. Okay, it is something that makes the soil fertile. A dark metal. It contains a lot of humus and can hold both air and water. See, इसमें you have to remember two things. First, sand and clay particles. Two things. Again, it contains both air and water. In this, it was opposite. इसमें air नहीं था और इसमें water. But here it contains both air and water. Therefore, it is very good for growing plants. If you will be asked the question which soil is best for growing plants, then you will write loamy soil is good for growing plants. Very short and simple. Now to revise this in short, I will show you a short video. Okay. See, today we studied the topic types of soil. What we studied, that soil differ in color, particle size and amount of air and water. They all are different in their own ways. There are mainly 3 types of soil. Do you remember? See, first was clay soil. This is clay soil. This is clay soil. Okay, you can hold in your hand and you have studied that it is used by potters. See, in this way it is used by potters to make pots and toys. Now this we have already studied that it is not good for plants because there are no spaces between its particles to hold air. See, this is the picture of sandy soil. रेती आप सबने देखी होगी. So this is the picture of sandy soil. And now I will show you about loamy soil. See, loamy soil. I told you that it is good for growing plants. You can see plants can be grown in such type of soil. Why? Because it contains both air and water. So that's all for today. We'll continue with the next topic in the next lecture. God bless you all. Thank you.